Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hotkey Highlights brought to you by Actionable Insights. My name is Seth Harrison, and today I want to talk about the Shift plus key. What exactly do I mean? Well, previously we did a Hotkey Highlights video on Shift minus, which is zoom to extents. In this exact 28 video, you can see that I have 5 rooms, all spread out quite drastically. And if I zoom in on room 2 and I hit Shift minus, it's going to zoom to extents so that I have the entire sketch back in view. But let's say I want to go to room 5 and I know it's all the way over there, but I'm zoomed in over here. If I hit Shift plus, it's actually going to zoom to the extent of the room that is selected. So I'm going to go straight to that room and be able to zoom in it automatically. Similarly, if I have room 3 selected and I'm over here looking at this part just to check something, I can just quickly hit Shift plus and it'll bring me right back to the room that I originally selected. So if you hit the Shift and the plus key simultaneously, it will zoom to the measurements of the room that you have selected. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week.